Is your MGZS alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often linked to the interior sensor, bonnet switch, or key fob. The latest MG software update, V2.1.4, released in Q2 2025, addresses false alarms, especially for models from 2020 onward. First, try a simple fix. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system. If that doesn't work, let's dive into the specific components causing the problem. We'll explore how to identify each issue to get your MGZS alarm working smoothly. Start by checking the interior sensor for dust or misalignment. You might be able to adjust its sensitivity in the infotainment menu. For the bonnet switch, inspect for corrosion or loose wiring, especially if you live in a humid climate. A faulty bonnet switch was even subject to a recall in 2025. Finally, try resyncing your key fob. This usually involves a specific button sequence detailed in your owner's manual. If problems persist, visit an authorized MG dealer for a free diagnostic check or use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes. Remember, resets are often more effective than replacing parts outright.